Hey guys, welcome to Ronic's World, and today I'm going to be showing you tricks on how to solve the Rubik's Cube for beginners. The first step is to make a yellow daisy. A yellow daisy is when there's 4 white middle pieces on the yellow side. To make a yellow daisy, you have to get a middle piece and move it on the yellow side. So now we got one here. We just need 3 more. There's one piece right here, and let's move it up here. Now there's 2 on the bottom. So what we want to do is we want to move this piece 180 degrees to the top. Now we just need 1 more white middle piece over here. That's also on the bottom. So what we want to do is move this to so that it matches here. Now we need to turn this 180 degrees. Now the yellow daisy is done. Now that we have the yellow daisy, we have to make the white cross. But first, we need to match all these 4 sides. Right now we have 2, and you should have 1 good side on the back and 1 on the left. And then you want to do this algorithm. Down, back, bring it back up, move it to the right and bring it down. And move the top once. And now we have all the sides matching. Now what you want to do is you want to turn each white middle piece 180 degrees to the white side. We have 2, and now we need to do these 2. Now we have the white cross and all of these sides matching. The third step is to solve the white corner pieces. Right here we have the red and blue corner piece. So now we want to move it down from here to over here. You have to do that, bring it out of the way, and bring this piece back up. So now we need to find the red and blue side, which is right here, and place this corner up here. To do that, you want to move it out of the way, bring this column down, put this piece right into place, and bring it back up. Now we have this corner in place. Here's another white corner piece where it's green and orange. So we want to bring it to the green and orange side, which is right here. And we want to move it out of the way, bring this column down, bring it back into place, and bring it back up. And now we have this piece into place. Here is a orange and blue piece, and it's already in place. So we need to move it out of the way, bring this column down, put it into place, and bring it back up. Now this corner is placed. Now this piece is up here, so we want to bring it down, turn the bottom once, and bring this column back up. And now we want to move it out of the way, bring this down, put it into place, and bring it up. Now we've finished the white corner pieces. The fourth step is to solve the second layer. To solve the second layer, you need to find middle pieces like this one and move it to the green side. Move it away from the orange side. Bring this column down. Bring it back. Bring the column up. And this white piece needs to go back up here, so we need to do that again. Move it out of the way. Bring it down. Put it back into place and bring it back up. Like that, we've got this piece into place. Now we need to find more pieces like that. Here's a red and blue piece. So we move it to the red side. Move it away from the blue side. Bring this column down. Bring it back. Put it back up. Now we need to put this up here again. And we need to move it out of the way. Bring it down. Put it into place. And bring it back up. We've got this one into place now. So now we've not got any more. So we need to get a random middle piece and switch it out for this piece. So we want to do the same algorithm again. Move it out of the way, bring the column down, bring it back, bring it up, and put the white piece back into place. So now we've got an extra piece right here, which is a blue and orange one. So you want to move it to the blue side. Move it away from the orange side. Bring down the column. Move it right. Bring it back up and place the white corner in again. So now we just need the red and green side, which is right here. And we want to move it away. Bring the white column down, move it left, bring it back up, and place the corner piece again. Like this, we've finished the second layer. Number 5 is to make the yellow cross. Once you're done with the second layer, you have to check the yellow side if you have a yellow dot, a yellow L, or a yellow cross. If you have a dot, you'll have to do the algorithm 3 times. If you have a L, you have to do it 2 times. And if you have the line, you have to do it once. Right now, since we have the line, you have to do it once. Step number 6 is to line the T's. So it's like when we are doing the white cross. We had to match these, but now we need to match all of these. So you have to have a good side on the back and a good side on the left. And you'll have to do the right 180 algorithm. So you lift one, move it to the right twice, bring the column back down, bring this white piece back, bring the column back up, put the white piece into place, and bring the column down. Move the top to the right once, and you've got all the T's. Step number 7 is to place the corners. What I mean by placing the corners is to have all the correct corner pieces. For example, this one's an orange and a green, but the corner over here is a blue, orange, and a yellow. So we have 3 that are wrong and 1 that is a good side. So you want to do the lefty algorithm, which goes like this. And then you have to line the T's again. But we still have 1, so we need to do it again. Then you have to line the T's, and all of our corners are now matching. Step number 8 is to orient the corners. To orient the corners, you need to do the right 180, left 180 algorithm, which goes like this. Then same on the left side. So now we got 1 into place, we just need 2 more corner pieces. Same on the left side. Now we just need to do 1 more time and we'll solve the Rubik's Cube. And now we have solved the Rubik's Cube. Did you like this video? If you do, please hit the like and subscribe button so you can get to see all my previous and upcoming videos.